Else, flip a couple switches and some settings, and hopefully he's gonna run a test that hopefully works perfect first try, and then we're gonna go home. I get an hour of pay, and I'm just gonna go on a nice little ride. Is this door latch thing is like the one real annoying issue that I have with the car. It's a micro switch inside the door latch that doesn't like reseat or whatever every time you lock the doors. So I have to pull the entire door in, or if you're on the outside, you can kind of hip check it, and then you'll hear it click, and you can unlock the door from the inside. So when I first got the car, for like the first day or so, like in and out of the car, every gas station on the way home from Miami to Jacksonville, like I just kind of Dukes of Hazzard in and out of the car. Slide in and out of the window like damn race car driver. Like, I don't really care. Passenger door does it too. And my girlfriend's not strong enough most of the time to really pull it, you know? So I gotta figure that out. This has gotta go. 4-post is gonna go. You're gonna get a nice steering wheel, something that's not wood and not all cracked up. I've been thinking about painting this trim some kind of color, matching this. Console delete's gonna happen, so this whole unit's gonna go. My head unit will have to come up here. And I found online that you can replace these screens for like 50 bucks, and everybody says they work perfect instead of spending like $1,200 on that whole unit. So big win for me. Air conditioning don't work either. Like fans blow, compressor comes on. Probably just need a recharge, but I don't really care. I've just been running without it because race car. Alright, so done with work. Got an hour of overtime to come in and watch somebody else flip some switches. And it's no big deal because I live literally like 5 minutes away, so it's cool. And I'm up, so we're gonna go for a ride.